seen go out to break their strength, and I lay in a few in bloody protest for a glorious thing. They shall be spoken of among their people. The generations shall remember them and call them blessed. But I will speak their names to my own heart in the long nights. The little names that were familiar once around my dead heart. We suffer in their coming and their going, and though I grudge them not, I weary of the long sorrow. And yet I have my joy. My sons were faithful, and they